Pals, welcome to the Qdoba unboxing for July 1st, 2016. Happy Canada Day, Qdoba fans all across the globe. So, we have a nice brown bag. This is it. There's no surprise, no secret drink. It's just me and my burrito. And really, that's what we're all here for, isn't it? Let's get to it. So, I'm going to open the bag and brown paper, you know, it's good, you know, they're not using dye, it's very environmentally friendly. And here we have it, the gold foil, distinctive, royal, regal, very professional. And let's just open this beauty. Yeah, look at that. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a burrito. Alright, now, I'm gonna take a bite of it. It's a good burrito, ladies and gentlemen. It's a good burrito. I think I'd give that an 8. I don't know though, I'm not really going to be able to tell until I finish it. I'll leave my full review in the description below the video. Be sure to like and subscribe. And be sure to refresh the page and watch more ads. This is XX Weed Scopes signing out.